Hey there guys, welcome back out here on the farm this evening. We're going to be working on the overhang on this sawmill shed. We're going to rip these boards down that we sawed up the other night on the mill and try to get them hung up under this overhang of the sawmill shed. Just hang out with us a few minutes and we're going to try to get these boards put up. All right, I'm going to lay this one back over here on the forks and we're going to rip one more and see if I can get at least a part of the board out of this, maybe. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, let me lay this, take this board and put it back over here on the saw. And then we'll have to get up there and measure and see how much. I'm going to cut some of this off the end where it was kind of rotten or doty, soft. Okay. Now I want to see about how long this board is. See how much I can get out of it. Somewhere around 11 foot 5 or 6 is as long as we can go. All right. I'm gonna go approximately, oh boy, I can go 10 foot 8. Need to cut a piece 10 foot 8 off of that board. All right, now if you'll hold it up there flush, I'll get it started nailing, come towards you. You hold it right up and butt it against that one. Hold it down flush. Over to the side. There you go, right there. Does that look good? Oh. Do it look good? Yeah. All right, let me move down a little. Cows are back in that hay ring again. Can you nail it? All right.
Which one are you doing?
Hey, it's the last one. You got to nail it at an angle. No, the other way. Hey, there you go. Okay. Now I need to measure this board down here on the end. We'll have to move our ladders down here. Okay. See what we got here. Easy, be careful. I don't want to have to show the whole wide world of you falling off a ladder. 82 3/8. Okie doke. See what we got here. This board has a little more streaking in it than I like, but it'll be okay. All right, here we go.
Did you nail that one on there?
No, we'll have to nail it. I couldn't reach it from where I was at. How does that look?
Good.
Looks good here too. I'm gonna nail it. I'm fixing to have to get some nails. 1 second. They're in here. All right, we're back with nails. Can you reach it? Missed. Gonna go in line with that nail. There you go. There you go. Did you do both sides of that? Yeah. Okay. All right, I'm gonna nail this. Let me see what we got right here. Hold me to the end. Right there. 12 foot 2 3/8 is what I gotta have. I know it. Gotta go all the way up. Ready? You're overlapped. There we go. You good? Oh, sorry. I let it slip. Come to me. Now, is that center? Can you tell if it's center of that last stud or rafter? I mean. All right, let me move down. All right. Let's see if you can do those last 2 or 3 right there. Make sure you're in line. There you go. Just hang that nail gun on your ladder. What? In your eyes? Let's see where 12 foot gets us now. That's 11 foot. Are you bumped tight against that? That's 11, 11 and a half. Now, do you want to hold that in and let me come down through here nailing it?
Yeah.
So you come down here.
You want me to nail this in and start nailing or what?
No, let me hold it and nail it, because I'm afraid you'll fall and drop the board. I'd rather you just be focused on holding the board. I don't want to have to take you to the hospital. I'd rather you take me. Not really, but
Yeah,
if I had to choose, I'd choose me over you. Oh. Say when.
not
What do you want to do?
It's curved like it.
We can take that out of it. Try it this way and see if that helps. It's just sawmill lumber. It's gonna twist and turn. I'll have to push it back down there. Good?
Yeah.
Just when you think you're getting good and started, you go running out of nails. That's okay. We got more. It's definitely a whole lot better than trying to drive them upside down with a hammer. Let's see if I can. You'll need that. I'm gonna see if I can push it over. Just give me 1 second. Tell me when it's close. That good?
No, keep going.
Hey, you're gonna miss. Get the second one. Hey, get the second rafter. The second rafter. There you go. There you go. Oh, man, you about took it on the chin. That might have got some views. Should have knocked you out. No, I'm just kidding. I wouldn't do that. You might come try to take me away from you if I said that. Okay, sir. Now, we like just a little bit on this end. All right, let's get this. Put it up here. Okay. Now you get the tape measure and see how, if that 9 1/4 is going to work right there. We may have to rip it down narrower,
Yeah.
but I think
Are you putting another board on the front of that?
I'm putting a board down through here that's going to match, and then, but I can bring it down.
What's wrong with the board on the front of it right now? Is it too narrow? Oh, I
It
see.
doesn't look like barn. It's not rough sawn lumber. It's some 2x6s that I had. I had bought 2x6s to do the rafters originally before I had the sawmill set up, and I put the roof on it with regular lumber.
Yeah. Okay.
So I want to put that barn lumber on here. Kind of dresses it up, makes it match.
Okay.
Pick up on it. This is fell. This right here needs to be flipped up right there. All right, hold it right there.
Okay.
Now we got to go the other way as far as we can go.
Can I cut it?
Hang on. You got to make sure and run it back and forth all the way.
Okay.
Okay. All right, pick it up and go right up here. Okay, hang on. Hold what you got. And guess what? Don't let it down now.
No.
I'll have to nail those ends, but I'll do that later. Now remember, you can't come down much lower than that. You'll miss everything.
Okay.
That's good. All right. We need to do the same thing again. Here now, Hercules. It don't need that many nails in it. All you're doing is creating a spot for it to rot. Okay, sir. Take that in for me. Go up there. Go up. Go up as high as you can.
I'm good.
Here, you can put some nails in there. Just put them about every 16 inches apart like the rafters are. And remember not to get too low.
Whoa. I about just put one into my hand.
Don't do that, because that, trust me, that does not feel good. All right. This. Yeah, that board is warped bad. I may have to replace it. I don't know if I can get it. I don't know if I can get it pulled back or not. I think I let it sit there too long, not nailed to anything. I'm gonna have to take it down and replace it. All right, it's starting to get dark. Put another nail right here. Can you hand me that hammer, please? There we go. I may be able to do that on that other one. All right. All right, guys, it's getting dark. We're going to wind this video up right here. Thank y'all for hanging out with us this evening on the farm. We'll try to get some boards ripped and finish this up, and we will see you out here on the farm another day.